Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. The 2025 Toyota Tundra is a full-size pickup truck that combines robust performance with modern features. Here's an overview of its key specifications: performance, engine options, 3.4L twin-turbo V6, horsepower, 389 horsepower, torque, 479 lb-ft, 3.4L twin-turbo V6 hybrid, iForce max horsepower, 437 horsepower, torque, 583 lb-ft, transmission, 10-speed automatic. Drivetrain, available in rear-wheel drive, RWD, and four-wheel drive, 4WD, configurations. Towing and payload, maximum towing capacity, up to 12,000 pounds. Maximum payload capacity, up to 1,940 pounds. Fuel efficiency, standard engine, approximately 18 mpg city/24 mpg highway. Hybrid engine, approximately 20 mpg city/24 mpg highway. Dimensions, overall length, 233.6 inches. Width, 81.6 inches. Height, 78.0 inches. Wheelbase, 145.7 inches. Ground clearance, 9.0 inches. Interior features, seating capacity, up to 5 passengers. Infotainment system, 14-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Audio, premium JBL sound system. Comfort, heated and ventilated front seats, panoramic sunroof. Safety features, Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, includes pre-collision system, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and more. Blind spot monitoring, standard across all trims. Rear cross-traffic alert, standard across all trims. Trim levels, SR, base model with essential features. SR5, adds more comfort and convenience features. Limited, includes premium amenities. Platinum, focuses on luxury and advanced technology. 1794 edition, features Western-themed styling. TRD Pro, designed for off-road enthusiasts. Capstone, top-tier luxury trim. For a comprehensive list of features and detailed specifications, you can visit the official Toyota website. Please note that specifications and features may vary based on the trim level and optional packages. It's advisable to consult with a local Toyota dealer for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to our channel.